What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. What's with this lighting, bro? What the hell? Okay, we're in the twilight zone. Gonna go over Sol. Our trade is flying in profit. We're sitting at 107. We're up 4.7 on the day. We're currently in multiple trades, which are in profits. You can see the last 2 weeks of trading on the screen. My signals are $10 a month. Time through the Patreon. That was during the correction. If you're not gonna be able to walk by. If you do, then all of my subscribers are going to see some titties. Yeah, so we're seeing a market cap of 47.57 billion, 24-hour volume 1.69 billion. So let's hop into the charts. Yeah, so we broke this down sloping trend line. We entered the trade right in here. Here's our take profit at 126. So I do think that we will continue the trend back to the upside. Nice inverse head and shoulders. And that will be a juicy profit about 22%, but we're on 2x leverage, so we're looking at about 45% profit. So we broke this down sloping trend line, inverse head and shoulders. I do think we'll see continuation up from here. You have a wave 1 off the low, wave 2. Right now you're pushing up in a wave 3, which is the most impulsive wave. Pull back to 4, push up in a 5. Completes the wave 1 to the upside. You pull back and then boom, continuation. And basically what you're looking at, what's up? Go quick. Yeah, you can wear it, yeah. 1-2 pullback, you're starting to break out. That's what I'm looking at. So you can see it here. This is the daily chart. Babe, push that in, plug it in, because it came undone. So we pushed up in a massive wave 1. This is your wave 2 pullback. We broke this down sloping trend line. I talked about retesting this strong level of support. See all the support back here. That's exactly what we did, and we're looking for continuation back to the upside. And that's what I think is a likely scenario. So your wave 3 target is all the way up at 267. So if you want to take a nice entry right here, hold it all the way up to the wave 3 target. That's a 146% gain for our friend Solana. So that's what I'm looking at for the price of Sol. Should play out nicely. Yeah, and we're in a juicy trade. We're in trade for... We have a Gala Games trade. We have a Hook trade. We have a Raven trade. They're all in profits right now. We're just crushing it. You can see the profits. I'll throw them up again from the last 2 weeks of trading. That was during the correction. And obviously during the impulse, trading is much easier and we'll have lots of juicy gains. We're also trading Forex. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. This is where I do my trading for crypto. Quickly let it load up here. No KYC, no VPN. One of the only exchanges in the US and Canada that don't require for you to use a VPN or a KYC. It's completely legal. And my subscribers only, if you sign up through my link, get 10% rebate on their fees. Grab those bonuses. Yeah, my signals are $10 a month, so you have my daily crypto analysis. My exact crypto trades, as you can see here, our Sol trade is flying high, and we just hit our TP1 on Gala, and currently that trades up 44%. Crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, daily Forex trades, daily signals for crypto and Forex for $10, best $10 you ever spend. Link down below, smash up that like button, check out BITUNIX, check out my full length tutorial, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.